1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18,
How that man want to grow? As his small age, don't get all the muscle for body finish, where some of us never get. He gets 6 pack for belly just now.
Did it?
He gets in biceps, everything just set. His eye can be like evil eye. Whoever the papa for that boy be, just to say that boy no grow past that age. That's not that they good day. But children are doing awesome things. All right, quickly, ladies and gentlemen, now that segment will go, give opportunity to our young actors to show yourself. All right. After this guy perform finish, we're gonna just go on top of our Twitter handle. We'll be at W Late Night Show. When I reach there, we're gonna tell us whether in pass or be in fail, and of course the word will get back to ramp. All right, but I believe it will fall hand at all. You see this guy, he done a black side, very African and every kind that I put for head and a golden P on top of his neck. All right. So ladies and gentlemen, I make an introduce on Eronz B as he go to perform in song sharply. All right, so Eronz B, take it away.
Wow. Yeah. Now you're a lady. This thing now you're a lady. Baby, you know my Congo is your lady. I don't say you are capable. You are lady. Now you're a lady. This thing now you're a lady. Baby, you know my Congo is your lady. I don't say you are capable. Come here. Fine shawty, make you come here. Come closer. Beautiful girl, you don't need to. You can find this interesting. Not just me and you know what I'm passing. In the parlor, in the room, one I'm flexing. How you go learn some lesson? Come to me, baby. I'ma give you everything you want. Plus one, baby. Me and you, we go make love. No. Baby, I'm gonna take you away. You know, we gonna cast it on. Baby, me now you gonna sing it. Now you're a label. This thing now you're a label. Baby, you know my Congo is your label. I don't say you are a baby. You want to leave, now you're a label. This thing now you're a label. Baby, you know my Congo is your label. I don't say you are a baby. And do every terrorizer. Put organizer, ability to rearrange organizer. I know they ever miss a guy for like boxing is to Cuba, and like reggae is born in Jamaica. Many talents we got in Africa. It must be Batman, like I did. See me go past you front yard and go to back my yard. Kiss up and rest your body smooth in her. Make you scream on top your voice very loud. Make you scream on top your voice very loud. No. Baby, I'm gonna take you away. In the room of the car. Baby, you know my power is your I don't say you are now you're a lady. This thing now you're baby, you know my power is your I don't say you are happy to unleash.
Hey! Po! Eronz B. Nice one. All right, ladies and gentlemen, say thank you to all of now. We join us on top of the show this night. Now, still a late night show on top of Wazobia TV. Biggest shout out to Ajele. Thank you very much for making it on the show. Thank you to Open It as well. Correct guy. And if now feel say Eronz be impressed and reach, make una waka go our Twitter page. Just reach there at W Late Night Show. Tell us whether in pass or be in fail. All right. Quickly, we'll reach there. We'll go do every top of the matter. So from me, Easy Beat, the baddest DJ in the land, the hottest and every DJ in the land on top of the wheels of steel. Thank you very much. Say you hold them down for us. All right. So thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. From here, go say good night to all of you. I'm making a cat better sleep. All right. So Easy Beat, take it away. Oh yeah.
Organizer, I know they ever meet like Baba Strike. Like Baba saying to Cuba, and like Clay is born in Jamaica. Many talents he got in Africa. He gon' see Batman, I got it, I got it. Say me go past you from there and go to Batman. Listen, Congress, but this new very hard. Make you scream and tap your butt very loud. Make you scream and tap your butt very loud. Baby, I'm gonna take you all away. I'm gonna make a pass to town. Baby, be now you, see go there. You are